Hi there, this is Teacher Francis, and today we're going to talk about my family members. So, together, let's repeat. This is my father or my dad. Father, dad. Mother, mom. Mother or mom. My brother, brother. And sister, sister. This is my grandmother, grandmother, and this is my grandfather, grandfather. So, who's the mother? Is she the mother? No, she's the grandmother. Is she the mother? No, she's the sister. Is she the mother? Yes, she's the mother. Who's the grandmother? Grandmother. She's the mother, she's the sister, and she's the grandmother. Grandmother. Who's the father? He is brother, he is the father or the dad, and he is the grandfather. And he is the father. Father. He is the father. Who is the grandfather? Brother, father, grandfather. This is the grandfather. Who is the brother? This one is the brother. And that's it. So today we were talking about our family members. Mother or mom, brother, sister, grandmother, and grandfather. Bye!